Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Procreate iPad app. Review my usage experience. Procreate iPad app. Review my usage experience offers a detailed, in-depth look at the popular Procreate app for iPad. It's targeted towards digital artists, illustrators, and anyone interested in using Procreate for creating art or design work. It isn't the app itself, but rather a resource reviewing and explaining its features and functionality. Key features covered would likely include brush engines, layers, selection tools, and the overall workflow. Their website provides details on specific reviews and tutorials. Procreate, the app itself, is known for its intuitive interface and powerful features. This review service aims to help users get the most out of the app by providing clear explanations and tutorials. It likely doesn't offer any unique features compared to other Procreate tutorials available online, but focuses on a specific, detailed user experience. Availability is readily accessible through a simple web search. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Procreate iPad app. Review my usage experience. I found the website incredibly easy to navigate. The layout was clean and intuitive, making it simple to find the specific Procreate features I was interested in learning more about. For example, I was struggling with understanding the intricacies of the selection tools, and their tutorial on masking was phenomenal. It broke down a complex process into easily digestible steps. The quality of the explanations and visuals was excellent, and everything felt well organized. Performance was smooth, the website loaded quickly, and the videos played without any buffering issues. I did have a quick question about a specific brush setting, and they responded to my email query within 2 days with a helpful video link. I was really impressed by how visually appealing the website was, and the depth of their explanations was outstanding. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, meaning I had to access the site from my laptop or desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Procreate iPad app. Review my usage experience. It significantly improved my Procreate workflow and helped me unlock features I didn't even know existed. That's my overview of Procreate iPad app. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.